are way back down that way, but welcome to video number 2 here. So, took some pictures. There's a little deck on here. It's a Coleman. They want, they were 80, but 56,000. I was looking at some of the small ones with pictures that are kind of nice, but again, it's a stupid stairway. I don't know. But got some different off colors. It isn't that ugly ass color. Come out here on the deck with your buddies, hang out here. You know, I don't know. It's kind of weird. It's all done here. Those stairway. I'm sorry, man. Gotta be flat, but for some reason I think they gotta have that. So I don't know. Whatever. I don't design these things. Now we have Dancing Queen on, so if you're trying to sell something, I won't have music on. But you won't hear it because I can hear it. It'll be. I'll take it off on UPS. I mean, but they can take it off. So they'll get picked up. How's it going? More stairs. A little different. Cougar. If I can hear it, you can hear it, but you won't hear it when the time it comes out because it will take out the music for me, which I like. They can do that now, so you don't hear it, so I can monetize it. I'm gonna share it anyway. Not that I make a lot of views, but just we'll push it out. So I don't know. You know, it comes on the amenities, the color. So I don't know. Who knows? All right. Upstairs, there's no stairway. Let's go over here. Whoop. Okay. There's another one over here. Just another 97 grand. Another Cougar. Same kind of thing. This one is. I can't believe it's so loud, the music. If you're trying to sell something to somebody, more of a family one here, you can tell. Be my storage room. Stairs are there for the bathroom there. So even the kids along with their grandchildren. I don't know why you have two different colors. But TV's up here. I mean, not because I'm recording, but if you're trying to sell something, you don't want music in the background to be able to have the attention to the guy, because mine's gonna go to the music, so I wouldn't have that music on if I was them, but who am I? Especially if you're trying to sell them something. Got the high idles on, but now the engine light's back on again. I'm like, damn it. But let's see what happens there. Montana. 121,000, 83 allegedly. Oh Jesus. Right up there for the kids up there. We sit down over here. This thing in the middle again here. This looks like a real big family kind. Grandpa and grandma. Another one down, another room down in here. I head over there. I don't know. That thing is kind of a little much. I get it, but the center console, sink, but he's just again break an ankle. Shower, the header. Storage area here. More in there. Nice. 137,000. Wonder how long it takes him to load this stuff. Get this place ready to rock and roll. Especially the boat show was here. 124,078. Oh my goodness. Love that. It's kind of nice. God, ugly brown. Nice TV. Little deck you can sit out on. They're good all around. Well, this is like a sit down in more stairs. If they didn't know what to do here, this should have been cut off. Right to there. Let's go on down here. So yeah, that's a little loose. Oh, Jesus. 124,000. And also you got motorcycle. You got four-wheelers. Tomorrow's that big what do you want to call it? Tomorrow's a drawing that was at the sports show at motorcycles, 250 bucks. Let's see. So Daytona's this weekend too. Yeah, they have a lot more here at the Ultimate. It's Camping World. You're not going to get anything else in here but what they sell. But there's a little deck right here. Look at a smaller one. 209. So, not bad. Smaller version. There's a bed right over here. And these are the small ones. No stairs. No stairs in this one, which I like.
Yeah.
No stairs.
All one level.
Yep, that's the way it should be. Yeah. Yep. You shower. That's a smaller one, but bottom line is, you need a little deck. So stand out there. I don't know. It's okay. But who knows? I don't know. But yeah, I don't know. Oh. But anyways, round 2's in the books. We'll go to round 3 here. All right. See you next one.